Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. And today I got another challenge, a small room which gives us 120 minutes total to read and go through instructions and web application overview and tells us everything about web application front end, back end summaries, and then it tells us about the URLs and how it is defined, the anatomy of a URL and each things. And later we have to give some question answers are there, so it's good. HTTP message, it tells us about post, HTTP request and the HTTP response, the starter headers and empty lines and each and everything. So this goes all, and here will be the practical thing where I will be focusing on to make sure to make a get request to API user. What is the flag? So what you have to do is you have to go here, visit site. So you will be having this part of the website with you, and we need to get a flag to make get request to API users. What is the flag? So what I will do is API users will be the part of my URL, and we can change the get post put delete from here. So I'll be using this. Oh, got double. Okay, now let's see it go. And we got a response 200. Okay, and server is nginx. So we were talking about content type, content length is here and modified with the date and time. So if you can see here, we got thm, that is the format of tryhackme flag. If I put it here, let's verify it. Yes, we got it on the point. Make a post request to API user, and we are going to do and update the from country of Bob from UK to US. What is the flag? So we are going to do it post, and we are using users, not user. It will be user 2. And if I say it go, yeah, I think I lose the page. Yes, I did. Visit website, and okay, we'd like to take a guided tour from the okay. Let's start. We can change the methods from here, and we can change the URL from here, and send request from here, and update get and post parameters from here. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're having API user 2, and it was post. Let's enter key. Key enter key should be country. Um, User is Bob, I think. Bob. Let's see. Proceed. And nice. Got it. Let's try this. I think you did a great job. Yeah. Let's go for the next. Make a delete request to API user one. So delete request for API user one. That was quick. I just did a hit and trial here. I wasn't expecting this one. Okay, and I think we should be good. And here's the conclusion of the room. Okay, it tells us that's it. You completed that all the tasks. We hope you enjoyed the learning about elements. The make up the web application offering and bit more. What commands are in the web structure? And the HTTP request, the important. Let me know how you find this video, and I'll be back soon with another one. Thank you so much.